Number 76. Rank the following elements in order of increasing size. So you got 5 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you should know on the periodic table where the small atoms are and where the big atoms are. And basically, if you want to see a representation, you see this representation of the periodic table, so that the taller the box, the larger the atomic radius. So just remember, this is the big corner and that's the small corner. And if you want to know which atom is the biggest one, it's whatever one is closest to the big corner. And which one is the small one, it's whatever one is closest to the small one. So we should be able to use the periodic table to answer this question. So out of these 5 atoms, which one is closest to the big corner? Okay, we got aluminum, nitrogen, potassium, oxygen, and phosphorus. So let's go back to the other one. Okay, so we got aluminum. Let's jump up. So we got aluminum, nitrogen. So you keep track of this. I'm going to point to them. Aluminum, nitrogen, potassium, oxygen, and phosphorus. So out of all those, it looks like potassium is closest to the big corner. So I'd say potassium is the largest one. So let's bring this back now, and there we go. So there was potassium right there. So I'm going to put, if you want to know the abbreviations, so potassium is K, oxygen is O, I'm sorry, phosphorus is P, oxygen is O, potassium is K, nitrogen N, and aluminum Al. And so we just saw that potassium K is closest to the big corner, so that's going to be, the last one. Okay, which one is the smallest one? So we have potassium, aluminum, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen. So it looks like oxygen is closest to the small corner. That's going to be the smallest. We'll write that one first. And then, where do the other ones go? You see, I'll put in the 1, 2. So you see the less than sign. So oxygen is less than what? So what's next closest to the small corner? So you had nitrogen, phosphorus, aluminum. So it looks like nitrogen was next closest. And then phosphorus. And then aluminum. Does everybody see that? So I'll point to them. There's oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, aluminum, potassium. So we're getting bigger as we did that.